Welcome back to Get Crafty Tutorials, and today I'm back with a quick how to create gold foil thank you cards tutorial. So as I said, a mini tutorial, and I'm going to show you the tools and materials in bio, but let's just go to step 1, which is our template. Now, as you can see, I'm going to use Canva, and as always, I'm going to share the link for this template that you can use below in bio. So you just want to go ahead and click on share, then download, and we'll download it with a transparent background. Now you'll click on download, and once it's downloaded onto the PC, you can just go ahead and print it. Make sure that you're using a laser printer, you guys. Mine is linked in bio, and you'll see why it's important, because when you are going to print and you want to use the foiling, it has to be a laser printer with laser ink. So I'm using the Phantom, and as you can see right here on the printing, it's still a tad too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make the copies per page another number, so 9. Still too big, so I'm going to put it on 16. Okay, so this is the size I want for my little thank you cards, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on print and run to my Phantom because it's really quick, those laser printers. So worth it. So let's click on print and let's go to our Phantom. So I'll make a different tutorial on my Phantom laser printer, but this is the one you'll need, and as you can see, it just comes out really quickly. These are our thank you cards, so let's move on to step 2, our foiling. As I said, this is a really quick mini tutorial on how to foil with all the things you need. Basically, I'm just using a laminator that I already had from a low budget store, so it doesn't have to be that craft laminating. I've cut the paper into half, and then I have this foiling paper over here as well in a gold color. I've already cut it up inside to the same size of my paper. And what I'm going to use as a protection is something that we all already have, is just some regular printing paper. So I folded it in 2, and I'm going to use this as a pouch for my cards. So just put in the paper with the gold foil on top. Just make sure that the foil is nice in the middle, and close it and secure it once more. Once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and move forward as well for the process, but we'll just go ahead and put it inside the laminator and wait until everything is set and done. Okay, so there you go. We are all good to go. I'm just going to move my laminator on the side, and this is how it looks like when it comes out of the laminator. So it can be hot, so do be careful, but I'm just going to go ahead and open up this pouch, and you can see that it already works, and we're going to notice the result immediately as I am peeling off. So as you can see, it's not that clear in the camera, but when you notice the foil, it has the entire thank you notice on it. It means that the gold has really stuck onto the ink, but I'm going to show you in the step 3 final result. Okay, so we did it. We made our thank you cards, and I've made one that is a tad bigger to make it clearer, and there you can see the golden foil and golden effect on it. So here again, what you can do next step is just cut these up in smaller formats, and then you have your invitation cards. So please do comment in section below what did you like about it, like, subscribe, and thanks again for watching this mini tutorial on Get Crafty Tutorials.